Using your Google Play balance for online shopping is possible for some specific services and apps. Here's how to do it. Check your balance. First, ensure you have funds in your Google Play balance. You can add money to your balance through the Google Play Store if needed. Open the relevant app or service. Visit the app or website where you want to make a purchase. Some popular services that accept Google Play balance include Google Play Books, Google Play Movies and TV, and the Google Store. Select your items. Browse and choose the items you want to purchase, such as books, movies, or products from the Google Store. Proceed to checkout. When you're ready to make your purchase, go to the checkout or payment page. Look for a payment method option. Choose Google Play Balance. If the service or app supports Google Play Balance, you should see it listed as a payment option. Select it. Complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your purchase. If you have enough funds in your Google Play balance to cover the cost, the transaction will be completed using your balance. Review the purchase. After the transaction is successful, review the purchase details and confirm the order.